Welcome to our channel. In today's video, we'll guide you step by step on how to activate your Etsy digital product store and start selling instantly. Whether you're an artist, a designer, or simply looking to sell digital downloads, Etsy is a fantastic platform to reach customers globally. Let's dive into the process. Step 1. Create an Etsy account. First, navigate to Etsy.com and click on Sign In or Register if you don't have an account. Fill in your details to create a new account. Make sure to verify your email address to activate your account fully. Step 2. Set up your shop. Once you're logged in, go to Sell on Etsy and choose the option to open your shop. You will need to select your shop language, country, and currency. Choose a shop name that reflects your brand and is easy for customers to remember. Step 3. Stock your shop with digital products. Next, it's time to add your digital products. Click on Listings and then add a listing. Here, you can upload your digital files, such as PDFs, JPEGs, or MP4s. Be sure to write an engaging title and a detailed description to attract potential buyers. Step 4. Set pricing and quantity. Determine the price of your digital products. Consider your target audience and the value of your offerings. Also, specify the quantity, which for digital products will generally be set to unlimited, since buyers can download them instantly. Step 5. Upload your digital files. Upload your digital products directly on the listing page. Etsy allows you to upload up to 5 files for each product, with a maximum file size of 20 MB each. Make sure your files are well organized and easy for customers to access. Step 6. Choose your shipping options. For digital products, you won't need to worry about shipping fees. However, you still need to specify that your product is a digital download. Etsy has an option for this during the listing process. Ensure you check the box indicating that your item is a digital product. Step 7. Publish your shop. Review your listings and shop settings once everything is in place. When you're satisfied with how everything looks, click Publish to make your shop live. Congratulations! Your Etsy digital product store is now active and you can start selling instantly. Step 8. Promote your shop. To increase visibility, share your shop on social media platforms and consider joining Etsy groups or forums. Engaging with potential customers and promoting your digital products will help drive traffic to your shop. This step-by-step guide should help you easily set up your Etsy digital product store. If you found this information helpful, subscribe to our channel and don't forget to like this video. Thank you for watching and best of luck with your new venture on Etsy.